Worried about your kids being glued to screens? Unleash their creativity with paper model crafts. Do you want to unlock their creativity and engage them in a fun and educational activity? Well, look no further. Introducing DIY paper crafts and models, the perfect way to ignite their imagination and keep them entertained for hours on end. Here's why paper model crafts are a game changer. Boosts creativity. Paper crafts allow children to experiment, design, and build, fostering their creative problem-solving skills and imagination. Screen-free fun. Offer an alternative to screen time, promoting healthy development and reducing dependence on technology. Learning through play, from following instructions to understanding spatial reasoning. Paper crafts subtly introduce valuable learning concepts. Bonding time. Craft together as a family, creating memories and strengthening your connection. Sense of achievement. Seeing their completed creations fills children with pride and a sense of accomplishment, boosting their self-confidence. More than just fun, paper model crafts offer a multitude of benefits for your child's development. So, ditch the screens and embark on a creative journey together. Explore the world of paper models, watch their eyes light up with excitement, and witness the magic of hands-on learning unfold. Thank you for watching the video. Visit our website to find out more. Paper models.